How could you spell sound? Could you spell that out?
Wait, what?
Could you spell a sound, Steve? Could you spell that out? No. Yes, you could.
How?
You could do like k, a, t.
Those are sounds. You're right.
But how could you spell
Foam.
just this?
Foam. Lots of foam.
What about like this? Could you even spell that out? Like,
Unless you
how do you spell?
He means like this sound. How do I spell this sound?
How do you spell it out, Scarlett?
A, apple, A.
Right.
B, bat.
Those
It doesn't
are
work like that.
Those are the phones of the graphing.
Yeah, but how do you spell it, Scarlett? Like, could you like spell this out? Like, how do you spell it out? You can't just go like A, B, C, D, E. It's not like that. It's like, how do you spell a knock out?
Knock out.
No, I mean like, could you spell that out?
See, it made the sound into a word.
I love what you two are noticing and discussing.
I don't hear a word in there. I don't hear like a.
Wait, did you hear that? Look. A, B, A.
No.
right, Lee.
I don't get you.
And
Okay,
I
I'll explain it.
have to
more
find
simple.
out how to explain this.
Could you spell that out? A knock?
So
No, I don't mean like the word knock. I mean like
the
that.
noise that he hears. He wants to know how
The
to
noise that
spell
you
that
hear into your
sound.
ear. How do you spell it?
So just like our letters
That's all.
spell a sound,
Can you do that? Like
he is
to
trying to spell. So
Yeah,
let me
that's
give
what
you-
my question was.
Let me give you
Can
a
you?
word that maybe means a sound. So what is this word? Whiz.
W
Yeah, but what's it?
I.
What's the sound? Whiz.
I don't know if my mom.
What would
puts
that sound like to you?
spray in my hair. A breeze.
Oh, okay. Can you make the sound?
Whiz.
What does the sound when something pops? A can of pop. You open a can of pop.
Yep.
It's a homophone. Pop, pop, and pop.
Oh no, my mom forgot to put the sting.
What's
straight.
another sound that we can say?
Oh, I
and
know.
You know what it's? I'm gonna.
I know.
One. What? Do you have one? What?
Cat.
That's. I'm not the sounds in a word, but actually like noises. So what sound is? Well, you're knocking, and this is rapping,
How could you spell that out?
tapping. What's this sound?
Doesn't this sound like a bee?
What is this sound?
No.
I would call it clicking. Clicking.
So C.
No.
You're trying to spell it. Just
It's not
the
spelling. I
word.
mean, like, how do you spell it out?
Yeah, I
It's
see.
like impossible.
We can spell click. How do you? What sound does a bee make?
Buh.
But no, when a bee is flying. What's it?
Buh.
Buzz, bzz, and buzz. All right, we'll stop there.